Hey app partners! Ready to accelerate your market scale and grow your school connections on Clever? Here's how to invite them, whether they're already using Clever or not yet on board. If a district already uses Clever, just search their name, click Invite to Connect, and fill out the form. You can personalize the message, add contacts, and even set up a custom launch date for your app. Want to request specific data? You'll see an option to send a sharing request too. The entire connection process is secured by Clever's established identity platform, providing immediate data governance and trust for both you and the district. Now, if a district is not yet on Clever, it will show as off Clever. Fill out their info and include a curriculum contact. They'll receive an email to create a Clever account and connect with your app. If it's a school that doesn't want to set up a Clever account, you can still invite them to easily connect directly to your application using our Any School feature. Reach out to your Application Success Manager to learn more. Need to invite 50 or more districts at once? Reach out to your Application Success Manager about setting up a district growth campaign. Connecting with schools on Clever is that easy. So easy that 61% of connections are able to launch the same day they're requested. Head to your Clever dashboard now to start connecting with schools and districts.